Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your Xbox Series X to the latest system software and sign in with the Microsoft account you want to use. Once done, make sure your console region and privacy settings allow app downloads. Use a wired connection if possible for stability. Now open the guide and navigate to Settings, then System Updates. Apply any updates. After the restart, go to My Games and Apps, so you can move straight into locating the Microsoft Store or relevant app entries. Next, you locate the Microsoft Store on your console by opening the guide and choosing Store or using the search function to type Microsoft Store. If you don't see it, head to My Games and Apps, open Full Library, then All Owned to reveal hidden system apps. Once you find the Store tile, select it and choose Install or Get. This reinstalls the app and restores its shortcuts. While it downloads, monitor the queue and manage queues to ensure there are no paused items blocking the install. Finally, you sign into the store and accept any prompts so purchases and downloads work. Test launching a free app to confirm functionality. If problems occur, perform a full power cycle by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds and restarting. This clears temporary glitches. If network errors continue, try clearing the alternate MAC address in network settings and reboot. As a last resort, reset the console while keeping games and apps. This preserves data, but refreshes system components, so the store returns to normal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.